What's good, Shumps? Welcome back to another video. Yesterday, I got my first ever YouTube paycheck. Yes, let's go, man. Clap it up. Thank you guys so much for the continuous support, bro. You know what I'm saying? It really means a lot. And in this video, I'm going to basically be giving y'all a small little walkthrough on how this whole monetization process works. I'm not really a genius on it. If y'all want to find out how to really start getting paid, go search that shit up. There's mad other videos, people explaining that shit, literally breaking that shit down. I'm not about to do that. What I'm really gonna do is like I'm gonna give y'all a reality check of it all too. Like the reality of trying to get paid from YouTube. You want to get paid. You want to make big money. You see all these YouTubers making big money. Excuse me. You see all these big YouTubers making money and stuff, and you want to do that. It's a process, bro. Like it's a reality to it. You know what I'm saying? Especially when you just starting out. You feel me? So if you're new, make sure you smash the like button. You smash the subscribe button. You know what I'm saying? Without further ado, bro, let's get straight into it. All right, y'all. So the fuck? This is a Kyrie shirt, bro. Y'all think I started liking Boston and I'm just repping they shit? Fuck no, bro. Absolutely not. Anyways, I'm gonna keep this as real and authentic for y'all as possible, bro. I'm not even going to edit. I'm gonna try not to edit this, bro. You know, unless I fart or some shit, then I gotta edit that shit out. Fuck no. But yeah, I'm gonna keep this as real for y'all as possible. I'm gonna talk about mostly like my experience when it comes to like this whole YouTube journey, getting monetized and all of that, bro. I'm gonna give y'all some sauce too, you know. So I got monetized December 2023. That's when I got fully monetized. I had hit the 4,000 watch hour requirement before I hit 1,000 subscribers. So, you know, that shit is actually fake a long time because I started my YouTube channel. I uploaded my first video January 2022. So yeah, that's fake a long. That's almost 2 years. You know, so you have to make quality content that people actually want to watch, because that is where your watch hours tie into it, your subscribers tie into it. You know what I'm saying? You're dropping videos and people aren't subscribing. That means you have to change something up. You know, you have to post shorts. Shorts are a good way to get subscribers because YouTube is a global platform. You post a short, bro, people really sit at home and scroll on YouTube shorts, bro. They watch YouTube shorts. So depending on the content you upload, people are going to come across your short, bro. So, and if they subscribe from your short, bro, that means they watched your shit and they like, this nigga kind of funny. I kind of fuck with him. Let me subscribe. So post shorts, bro. That's a good way to get subscribers. Now with the watch hours, bro, you have to make videos that people actually sit there and watch. You know what I'm saying? Like people have to sit there and watch your videos. Watch hours, you know? They added some shit where when you hit 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours, you get monetized, but it's like for something different. Like it's for a different, you know what I'm saying? You don't get the watch ads and you don't get that. You only get when you hit 5,000 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours, you get shopping where you could put your merch, super chat, I believe you get super chat, and memberships, so people could become members. They could pay monthly for like exclusive shit, blah blah blah. I don't use that shit anymore, but yeah, that's like the first day. That's like the demo version of monetization. But when you hit the 1,000 subscribers and the 4,000 watch hours, that's when you get the CPM shit. You could put your ads on your videos. They check your shit, make sure your shit could be monetized. You know, if you cursing too much in your videos, they not gonna monetize your shit. I be seeing y'all comment saying I curse too much, but most of my videos are monetized. So that means that my shit, I'm Gucci, I'm good. So, but I'm gonna tone down the cursing though. I'm gonna tone it down for y'all. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, so you get when you hit the threshold, the complete threshold, you get watch ads. You could put ads on your videos and shit like that. But honestly, bro, and you like you see your CPM, your clicks per minute, which is like, you know what I'm saying, how much you're making when people click on your videos. I think that's how it works. But when you first get monetized, bro, please do not go thinking that you about to make bands off of YouTube, bro. That you about to make 30 bands a month. That you're crazy, bro. You're at 1.1k subscribers and you think that's gonna happen, bro? You think that's what's about to happen? No, brother. or sister. That's not what's gonna happen. You have to grind. When you get monetized, bro, think of it as you're not even making any money yet, bro. You're not even making any money for real, bro, because I'm gonna show y'all my YouTube paycheck right. This is how much I got paid yesterday. This is my first YouTube paycheck right here. Y'all see how much I made? That is from December to now. How many months is that? December, January, February, March, April. December, January, February, March, April, May, June. That's 8 months, bro. That's 8 months. Oh, actually, it might be 9 months. Am I doing the math right? I don't know. Y'all let me know. But from December to August, that is how long it took me to get that much for my first YouTube paycheck. You know what I'm saying? So think of it as like, I'm not even really monetized. I just got that shit, but I'm not really monetized yet. You know what I'm saying? When you start making real bands off your videos, real money, then you could say I'm monetized. But for now, bro, just chill and grind, bro. Just stay consistent. That is what gets you the monetization, bro. If you stay consistent. You think that if you take breaks in between without even letting your subscribers know, you got to communicate with your subscribers first of all. Y'all see me, if you know me, you watching this, y'all know I be sharing my posts with y'all. I be sharing that, oh, I'm getting ready for school. That's why I haven't been uploading. You got to communicate with your subscribers because those are your people that's going to rock with you. You know what I'm saying? So if you decide just to stop posting for months, who you gonna have left to support you, bro? Because you just started out. You ain't really build no real fans yet. Nobody knows you. That's the reality. I'm not being mean. I'm just giving out the reality of it. Nobody knows you. So if you go taking a month break, 2 months break without saying nothing, oh, you're fucked, buddy. You're done. Like, you might as well just, you basically quit, bro. You basically quit, bro. Like I said, communicate. If something's going on, let your subscribers know. You know what I'm saying? Be like, yo, I'm going to take a little break, y'all. I'm going to get some content for y'all going when I come back, blah, blah, blah. Do that. You know what I'm saying? That's important. Communication is always key, bro. With this, relationships, anything, bro. School, anything, bro. Communication is important. So make sure y'all doing that, bro. Don't fall off. Don't do that. Especially, bro. Bro, let me put it to y'all this way. Like Kobe Bryant said, the journey is more important than the destination, bro. All your trials and tribulations that you're going through with this YouTube stuff, bro, it's very important because when you succeed, when you actually reach where you want to reach, bro, when you reach your goals, you're going to look back and appreciate all of that, bro. It's going to feel mad good. Just like, yo, like I've really been through so much, like all this grinding, all this hustling really paid off. Now I'm at 1 million subscribers. That's how you got to think, bro. That's how you got to think, bro. You have to think positive. You have to TP, bro. TP, always. Always TP. You know, so like I said, don't go thinking that you about to make bands, bro. You might as well look at your monetization little notification. They gonna congratulate you. Yeah. I'm not monetized yet. I'm gonna get there though. But you making $100 and I made $100 in 8 months, bro. That's not doing nothing, bro. That's not doing nothing. And literally, okay, I forgot to mention this. It's a threshold. So whatever you make, it's like, how should I put it? It's $100 minimum. That's the minimum to get paid. So whatever you make in that pay period, bro, that's how much you're gonna get paid. But it has to be at least $100. So say for the month of August, right? Say I make $94. I'm not gonna get paid until I reach that $100. So say then September comes, then now you're at what, like, say you was at 94, now you're at like 106. That's how much you're gonna get paid for the pay period when September comes. But you get paid, like, I believe you get paid. Well, I got paid the 21st. You know, so I don't really know how the pay dates work, but I just know that you have to meet that $100 minimum. So let's say you really become nice with the YouTube shit and you making good money. Let me tell you something, bro. I'm looking at you in your face. I'm talking to you. Do not let the money change who you are, bro, as a person, bro. Do not go get in a big head because you getting money now. Don't ever do that. I refuse. I refuse to ever let no dollar amount change who I am, bro. Y'all see the way I act in all my videos. Y'all see the way I talk, the way I, you know what I'm saying? The way I laugh, all of that. That will never change when I'm making a lot of money, bro. You know what I'm saying? It's nice that money comes with this YouTube thing because you work hard for it, bro. So when you get it, it's a good feeling, bro. But do not go get in a big head and think you on top of the world. Because the same way you got it, bro, the same way you grinded all of those months, years to get that to that point, you can fall off easy, bro. All of that could be clipped easy. All of that could be done. So please just stay humble. Stay true to yourself, bro. Stay true to your subscribers. Because those the people that's there for you, bro. Don't go switching up trying to act different, bro. Don't do that. I be seeing the YouTubers get exposed for, you know what I'm saying, doing a bunch of bullshit, bro. Don't do nothing like that, bro. Stay true to yourself, bro. Be yourself at all times. You know, when you getting that money, when you getting that bag, bro, and you able to take care of yourself and your family, bro, do not ever change, bro. You know, you can mature. You can mature with age. That's, you know what I'm saying, that's part of life, is maturing with age. But do not go trying to be somebody you not. And you know what I'm saying, just change up your whole personality, act all stuck up and mean and this and that, and thinking that you on top of the world. Because like I just said, it'll be gone in a minute. Just like that. It'll be gone, bro. What you gonna do then? What you gonna do then? You gonna beg for a second chance? You gonna pray for a second chance? Nah, you did this. You did this. And don't go getting lazy with your content now that you're making money, bro. The same quality content that you was making for your subscribers when you was grinding, that's how you gotta continue, bro. You gotta continue. Like, the grind never stops. It never stops. Maybe when you retire, stop making videos. Obviously, you're not gonna be dropping videos no more. But when you on the grind, on the journey, bro, don't get lazy. Don't be grinding for, you know what I'm saying, grinding to a certain point. You reach where you at, and now you just getting lazy, posting videos monthly and what? Who do you think you are? You will fall off in a minute, bro. You will fall off, bro. What? You are not Illuminati. You can't just come back whenever you want to and drop a video and get mad views. It doesn't work like that, buddy. You're not him. You're not Illuminati. You're not Kai Cenat. You're you. And the things that might not happen to them will happen to you. So, like I said, stay true to yourself. Just grind. The grind never stops. Just stay the course and make your bread. Take care of your family. Take care of people, bro. Like, I feel like as somebody with a platform, bro, when you really get to that point where you're making a lot of money from your platform, bro, I feel like you should use some of that money to help people, bro. Donate to a good cause, you know what I'm saying? That's what I plan to do. When I make a certain amount of money, bro, I want to help people, bro. And I feel like, you know what I'm saying, some people be helping people with the camera in their face trying to show that they doing a good thing, bro. Have some integrity, bro. Do it because you want to. You know, if you record it, bro, record it because you want to inspire people to do the same, bro. Don't just record it because you think you being a good person when really you just doing this shit just to make people say, oh, my God, you're such a good person. But in reality, you're an asshole, bro. You're an asshole in real life. So don't try to do that. You know what I'm saying? Just have some integrity and help people. You know, it's that good karma. It's real, bro. You know what I'm saying? You help people. You're a good person, bro. Just be a good person, bro. You know, and just use your platform to inspire, bro. That's what I plan to do. Like I just said, I want to help people and I want to inspire. I want to show people. That's what this YouTube journey is about. Because I never thought that I would be doing YouTube. You know, I never thought that I would be trying to get paid from YouTube or anything like that. But, you know, sports, once my senior year of high school came, I just was like, yeah, sports might not work out for me, bro. You know, I was doing basketball. My basketball dreams got shut down junior year of high school, bro. That's when it was done. You know, I played my senior year just to finish it out, but I did track too. And when I seen that college coaches wasn't responding to my emails and shit like that. I just said, fuck that, bro. I gotta figure something else out. So one day I just decided, I was like, I might do YouTube, bro. And you know, that's when the dream was born, bro. That's when the dream was born. Here I am now, talking to y'all. You know, so bro, I just want all y'all to succeed, bro. I want to succeed, and I want y'all to succeed too. We can all succeed together. You know, we can all change the world together. We can all make the world a better place and show people that it's good. It's good to help people that are in need, because if you on this journey to becoming, you know what I'm saying, to, you know, be a top YouTuber, and you have bad days where you're not getting views on your videos, you know, and you thinking that, oh, this is not gonna work out. I said this in one of my videos, bro. Do you not think that every YouTuber that you watch, bro, and that you look up to, do you not think that they have thought the same thing, bro? That they haven't thought about giving up, bro, that they haven't had doubt in their mind, bro? Everybody had that, bro. Everybody been on the same journey. I don't think one person has just ever woken up and just became successful, bro. You have to grind for it, and you have to be consistent with your grind. You know what I'm saying? So make sure that y'all doing that. Make sure y'all grinding, and make sure y'all pray about it. You know, pray that you stay the course. You know what I'm saying? Ask God to guide you. Whatever you believe in. If you believe in God, if you Christian, whatever you believe in, bro, just ask him to guide you through this grind, through this journey, you know. And we all in this together, bro. You know, y'all know, if y'all watching this, my subscribers, if y'all need anything, bro, y'all can always hit me up, bro. Y'all can always DM me on Instagram, you know, DM me on whatever. You know, all my socials is down here, is right here. So make sure y'all can hit me up, bro. Y'all could leave a comment on my video, whatever y'all need, I got y'all. So, you know, I hope this helped. I hope this gave y'all a sense of like what getting paid, what like first getting paid from YouTube really is about. You know what I'm saying? To sum it all up, don't go thinking that you're gonna be making a lot of money right away. Don't be in this only for the money. You know, just be this, like, do this to entertain. You know what I'm saying? To just have fun with it, bro. That's how you grow more, bro. When you have fun with it and you let go, you just be yourself, bro. That's when you see the results. So thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure y'all smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, turn on post notifications. I love y'all. See you on the next video. Remember, you can achieve anything if you work hard, believe in yourself, trust God. I'm out.